We'll see if this works like I hope it works. If it doesn't, then we'll just die and we'll be back where we were. Fuck. I was hoping I would not be in a starving state. Oh, the game's gotta be like, fuck you. Oh, there's a karma flower right there. Interesting. I wish you a merry die. Okay. Delicious karma flower. I am the darkness. I am the night. All right. Get him out of my way. See if I can go up here, and if there's something up. Electricity? I hear like whispers too. Very strange. I'm sure that's a normal thing to hear. Just like a whole bunch of whispering. So I can come up here and what? Die? I go down the middle here? No. Okay, this is just kind of a tower to nowhere. Alright. Just a very strange place. What are they saying? I feel like that spider's gonna kill me. Well, nothing to do but send it. Bats! Delicious bat. 1 out of 7. Just 7 more and we won't be starving anymore. And you ate the food so we can rest. Chaco ain't got no timer. Kinda fucky wucky, don't you think? Yep. Time to fucking send it. Why? Game. You have fans, which blew us in the last area. Here, you have a winding air being blown. Of course, I'm going to assume that it's going to blow me across. Or give me some height so I can get across. And now we're back to our cursed state. Okay. The winding air does not work. Hello, are you watching? I am dying and in a not a soft lock, but a very annoying state. I feel like because too many things were on screen and got sucked up, the game's jammed. This should be fixed. I see. I think if I die again without being able to rest, I will avail myself of that note so that this does not happen again, because I am tired of it happening again and again and again. I am also really disliking the coral enemies. They have been extremely unfun to deal with in every single situation I have dealt with them. And also the mud lizards. And the toads. At least the toads later, I was able to get a frickin' spore puff to get it off me. Yeah, especially in salination plants where there's only one direction I can go when entering, and they block the entire way, all like 8 of them, and they just sit there, and there's nothing I can do. I actually soft locked myself because I got stuck in between 2. And I sat there for a couple minutes and was like, fuck this, and quit out. They are not fun, and I will find a way to kill them, even if it's in arena. And I use a rarefaction cell to explode them. Also, I think we are now harmless. Oh, never mind. It's here. That's cool. You can see the VOD. I'll be able to point it out later. Actually, I stream marked it. I went from 0 to maximum on Chieftain Passage in one cycle, like past the 50, the plus or minus 50. That seemed worth looking into. Could be neat and useful, depending. I feel like I alternate between extremes in Watcher. I'm either really loving it or really hating it. And usually it comes down to how reasonable the shelters are. No, I had Survivor. So I had gotten to Chieftain, and then I whoopsie-doodled and zeroed it out after a silly accident. And then later I had a... so it seems when I got to Coral, I had a vulture mask, and I dropped it to give them get some more to get my rep back up. And he dropped a spear. So I picked up the spear, dropped it to get more rep, and he dropped the mask. So he kept dropping the mask and the spear, and I just kept doing that until he didn't drop the mask. I guess for some reason he wasn't putting the spear on his back. He was actually using his hand, thus dropping the mask. And I did it like 3 or 4 times. And then when I rested after that, I went from 0 to 100. Dreki to scavengers. Yeah. You know how it is. You just kind of throw an explosive spear and take one out. No big deal. How do I get across this? I'm not sure I can. Do I have 3 total new karma? I think. I don't remember. I still need food so I can rest. There was a shelter before it. I rested. And that turned out to be a mistake. The one time I should have waited until after. Hey, that's still a dead end. Am I missing something? I didn't see any tooltip that I recall. There's no exit over here. Sure. Go for it. I also have yet to use a passage. I kind of thought the worlds were going to interconnect. I still need to figure out why coral is marked differently than the others. It'd be very embarrassing if I'm supposed to have been finding him in each of the worlds. Yeah, I definitely did not get that memo. Up in special? You said it takes a karma flower to do it too? I think I might have seen something about a karma flower, but something was going on. Okay. Torrid Desert. Okay. Be cool to shelter, yes. If you would give me some frickin' food. Oh, I wonder if that's... I should have been doing this at the mini pulses. Hey, it's those... Did I just bounce off of that? I did. Okay, what if I hit it with something? Go away, I'm doing experiments. Okay. Experiment done. Did nothing. I feel like that's important enough. It needs to be a Saint-like cutscene. To be like calling really big attention to it. Ah! I am going invisible. I cannot go invisible. I am literally exhausted because of the bug. And now I don't even have my karma flower, do I? Because it took my karma flower to do that. I am going to shit in somebody's pants. I want to warp, but I need food. Ooh. Perfect. Okay, game, let me out. Okay. Go back and save, please. All I want is to not be in this loop of the bug. There's so much. There's like 2 eel lizards, 3 salamanders, a partridge, a pear tree. How is there even a pear tree in Rain World? They don't grow those here. Fucked up, man. Speaking of pear trees, those toads are fucked up. I don't know where I am. There I am. I am gonna get my other bottle of ramen. I don't know what happens if I get to 0 food with one. I've always gotten killed by something before finding out. And I did like find a item, or I found a spore puff to get rid of. I'm like, please, for the love of God, a spore puff has to get off. Because like I was trying everything. I was trying wiggling like you can knock off leeches. I tried ramming myself into things to see if just like momentum and impact would dislodge him. It was driving me nuts and I was losing my mind. Okay, we are slowly making a shape. A dotted line. Interesting. Guessing the dotted line is a temporary. Coral Caves is still special. It is driving me nuts. I don't know why. It bugs me that there's this purple circle around it, and I don't know why. It makes me feel like I missed something all the way over there. I'm also like, when are the things gonna start connecting again? Also, why are these two so close to each other? It seemed like for a while we were making a shape, but these two aren't a set equidistant from everything else. That's another thing that's unique. I wonder if that means it's another region within the same realm of something? That could be Shoreline, and this is Skylands or Chimney Canopy. Anyway, let me get that bottle real quick. Actually, I lied. I'm getting coffee. Last cup of coffee. Let's go. Let's go. Look, we've been going for 11 hours. This is the sanity lost Dreki, all right? I am broken. I am a hollow husk of a serpent. No, not that one. That one's my last shed. That one's supposed to be a hollow husk. The other serpent is me, the hollow husk. But I notice I'm on my last cup of coffee, so I'll finish that off. But at the very least, I gotta crack the ramen. I'm not gonna lie. The reason I got a couple ramen bottles was because I wanted to crack, like, the whole cracking them open is a lot of fun. And I haven't done that in a very long time. If you are somehow ignorant of what a ramen is, it's a carbonated flavored beverage with a fun gimmick of being sealed with a glass ball, and it comes with like a little indented like little plastic thing, and the thing is like you put it over the ball and then you just slam your fist or palm or hammer or whatever implement you choose, and it knocks the ball loose, unsealing it. And then it goes jingle jangle. And it's fun. It's quirky. And it is a nice glass bottle. And I do also like glass bottles. Definitely has a different taste than canned or like plastic cups, like paper cups, like your fast food sodas. I hate those. Not so good. Plus, I mean, those are reconstituted from soda syrup, which is disgusting. Alrighty now, let's see what is left for us to find. Continue. Let's go back to the portal we found. No, not the one we made, the one we found. We go wee, doing, and then we go wee, and then we go wee. Do not kill me. No, 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 no. Wait, 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 wait. Thank you, Portal. Bring the goop with you. All right, where are we? See, it's all good. Yeah. The surface? Intriguing. I don't think that lizard's okay, though. I think it placed the lizard out of bounds, and it doesn't know what to do. There's an update to the DLC. Does it fix other major things that I should be concerned about? That's like the first like real bug, unless there's something that like makes the coral things vulnerable and I can actually finesse them. Because gods, I want to slaughter so many of them. Rain World has finally got something worse than pop turtles now. They just made them freaking invulnerable. And also affect you on touch. Also, I'm getting more and more fuzzy. I'm sure that's fine. I'm starting to think something's wrong with Nightcat. I'm also surprised we haven't been getting like cutscenes whenever we sleep. Kind of like Artificer. I'm really curious what was happening in the intro cutscene. I was kind of thinking we might have like enemy slug cats, you know? That was having me just like freak the fuck out. I was like, oh shit. Oh fuck. Scug on scug violence. I have not been in a situation where I had an explosive and there was a coral. Spear right up the butt. Oh, look, it's sand again. Intriguing. Fallen Tramway. Ooh, it's been a while since we've seen a sub-region for a region. I feel sorry for whoever's gonna make the interactive map for Nightcat. Because just thinking about it makes me want to drink. It feels very zany. Well, we're back to the cum factory. Oh, it's just ice. Never mind. Oh, that's a nice shelter. If I could use it. I wish this scug was a carnivore. The fuck are you? A blizzard lizard? A wizard lizard? A blizzard lizard wizard? No, 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 no! Wait, 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 wait! Wait, 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 wait! I don't know where I am. This lizard's using magic. Ugh. Okay, I wanted to try and kill it. Also, that vulture is in gay baby jail. We have trapped him there as a bit. Well, the mud lizard did not count for, Oh, I ran out. Duh, Dreki. I have a temperature timer. I should be worried about that. Okay, so that would lead me up there so I can climb up. Gotcha. I'm going to die due to temperature. Good job, Dreki. You fool. You absolute buffoon. You schmeckle of a schmuck. Oh no, the vultures escaped gay baby jail! Somewhere. Out there. Waiting. Well, we are going to die soon. That sucks. Looks like I can't even warm up here. Got a whole bunch of snow over here. Desert's more like a blizzard. Oh, look, it's food. 2 units of food in this box. Great. Cool. Why is it being so stingy on the food? Oh my god. Hey, Venti. How's the game? It's... I don't know. There are some elements I'm really enjoying. A lot of the areas are very cool. I feel like they are not... I'm either having bad, like some bad streaks, or I feel like they're not tuned very well. No. Get back here. Yeah, I'm dead. Here I am, once again. Dying a lot, can't deny it, I'm a schmuck. I thought I could survive. Okay, what if we look around the desert before going through the portal? Maybe we can get our food here, and then we go through. Dreki, it's been 11 hours. I do think it's getting to you as well. There were a couple areas that I was really stuck on. That were very frustrating. There is 0 food. See what I mean? Why is there no food here? Cool room. Finally, some fucking food. Even if it's floor moss. Actually, it's more like sand moss in this case. Only 2 goop? Damn. One guy's being a big stupid idiot. I don't know. I feel like cats always know what they're doing. They're very smart, powerful entities that are not slugs. You know what? Instead of, oh. Are you a friend? Alright. Alright. Alright, you got a good beat. Are you a friend? Huh? You okay, buddy? Huh. Man, don't you hate when that happens? You just kind of go drilling for stuff. Let's go get a spore. There were spore puffs. Maybe they're like reindeer. Did a string, got on her tongue and made her... Oh. Alright, maybe your cat is a bit of a goober. Ah, there's a pole mimic there too. Alright. Thanks for showing yourself, buddy. Let me just get my pole mimic. You know, it's just a baby though, so, you know, take care of it. Nerd. All right, we got 3 drill burts. Do any of y'all want a spore puff? Anyone? Spore puff. I offer you thing. Do you wish for thing? It does not want thing. I give you thing. It is yours. Okay, you do not want thing. Got it. I will continue. Lock the cat rooms. Go for her. What? Huh? What? Huh? The fuck was that angle? Why did my spear just go? Yeah, yeet. 300 feet. Oh, that sounds awful. Hey, the question is, it's oddly silent. I am very concerned at the lack of music. I don't know if that's a good or bad thing. I'm also surprised there's not like a reverse temperature meter. I also feel like because we have not been finding any colored pearls, we found a couple white pearls. Well, I don't know. Colored pearls tend to be really out of the way. I feel like I would have come across at least one colored pearl by now. I feel like we may not be running into any iterators. You learn the power of the new sand asset. It is quite sandy. It also apparently is opposite magnets. It repels spheres apparently, because that one sure went into the distance. Cool. I mean, I don't know if I want to use my get out of jail card here. This is my get out of jail zone. That seems unwise. I don't know what would happen. I've also gotten really far away from fuck! Come on. Come on, you wiggly. Come on, you wiggly bugger. Come on! Fight me! Fight me! Okay, but like, you need to give me my spear back first. Mom said you have to give me my spear before we can fight. Right? Oh, there's a portal here too. Okay. I see. You can teleport without the flower too. Ah. Probably exhausts me like multiple teleports do. Anyway, we're gonna rest here because we're almost out of time, and also because we're next to another portal. Instead of dealing with the blizzards, I want to see what this other place is. Oh, that's a short fucking cycle. Yeah, let's re-roll that shit. So the fact that I think cycle links get rolled again when going through portals is also interesting. I feel like any percent is going, or any, or story. I don't know if any, I don't know if any percent is going to be different than story percent so far from what I've seen. Considering how the game blocks you off. That was honestly probably like 2 or 3 hours of the beginning was me trying to go to places the game was very obviously blocking me. Like I took a squid cicada from outskirts all the way to shoreline, or all the way to Shaded Citadel to try to go to shoreline. I was being very silly. Heat ducts. Oh. Huh? The fuck are you? Can I hold you? No, don't you do it! Don't you do it! Don't you do it, you son of a bugger! Okay. I want to grab the flying thing. I want to see what it does. It'll probably hurt me like the moth did. Pretend to be my friend and then betray me. I did become friends with the moths until they started killing me. By soft locking me or yeeting me, you know. Shit. Help! 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 Wait, did it go into that robot? Huh? Okay. That's different. Well, you did kill those centipedes for me, so it'd just be rude to not eat them. Centipedes? Driving cars? Less likely than you'd think. Doing something over there. All right. I could go through this pipe right here, or I could go back and try to grab the shiny thing. What happened? I died and then I came back and then this thing possessed something. And then it killed the centipedes with like steam. Okay, it doesn't look like I can grab it. Oh, okay. Okay, I can take it apart, though. But I assume it can damage me. Can I eat this? I think I can. Sounds like an iterator? Yeah, they sound interesting. It, like, activated a robot that killed the centipede, so that was cool. Alright, well, we got centipedes, so that means we are going to be feasting. Where's my spear? I lost my spear. This poses a difficult problem when we have a centipede in our way. Oh, I didn't turn invisible, did I? That thing looks active. Why am I not turning invisible? Huh? Oh, there I go. Oh, I think it's the after image effect. It kind of gives me a blur like my color, as if I'm not invisible. It's very confusing to me. And this place is chock full of food. I remember how I was saying some areas feel unbalanced? Like, this place is just a glutton of food. I can't go up here. Fuck you. Whee! Okay, if we go down here, I need to rest. This doesn't seem good. This seems dusty. Wait, I hear the freak. Positive. Hold on, I want to rest. But I need to make sure I have food for next cycle. Just in case again. I'm gonna hatch some children and then consume them. Call me Saturn. Oh, the thing I pulled out didn't persist between cycles. All right, so not 100% certain if it's food. I'm pretty sure I can eat it though. I hate everything, man. I hate everything. I'm gonna eat both of you. Okay, I can't grab it for some reason. Hey, Noodlefly, we're friends, right? Why are the Noodleflies dueling? Huh? That's weird. Anyway, here's Wonderwall. Yeah, I've never seen the Noodleflies duel each other. Right. I hear the freak making noises, so that means I must be close. They'll duel to the... Really? Huh. I guess I just never noticed it. There can only be one true mother. Okay. Whee! Oh, son of a bitch! Yarr, fuck. I can't believe it blew me away. Call me Breakin' Benjamin. The way it be blowing me away. Quabushkin vents. Exactly. Thank you, Bonnie. You are very strange, thing. Also, what is in my hands that I couldn't pick things up? Is that a... Is that an orange lizard? What are you doing here, bud? When did you get here? You're just kind of there as well, which is odd. Hey, let's get our karma back. Let's not get blown away. Ooh, hello. Are you lost? Yes, well, I am lost. Let's be lost together. Yeet. All right, where are we now? Tell us where we are, strange echo. Oh no. I forgot to quit out to get the update, and I feel like I might be forced to do that now. Also, this feels like a more deep house version of Captain. Oh right, I don't have my live 2D model. Y'all can't see me jamming. I'm basically the cyan lizard in the bottom left right now. Dead. All right. I am gonna quit out. Update. While that's happening, I demand all of you to take a break, stand up, stretch your legs, wiggle around,